Hola YouTube, hola YouTube, hola YouTube. It's your boy AJ back here once again with another video. As you can see in the title above, I'm going to talk about what a visa is and how it works. So by talking about a visa, I don't mean like I'm not going to talk about visa cards issued in the bank, but instead I'm going to talk about visas issued by consular officers at an embassy. You all know what an embassy is, and please, if you're new here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always sticking around. And please share the video, turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of my latest uploads. Let's get straight into the video. Thank you.
A visa is a conditional authorization granted by a territory to a foreigner, allowing them to enter, remain within, or to leave that territory. Visas typically may include limits on the duration of the foreigner's stay, areas within the country they may enter, the dates they may enter, the number of permitted visits, or an individual's right to work in the country in question. Visas are associated with the request for permission to enter a territory and thus are in most countries distinct from actual formal permission for an alien to enter and remain in the country. In each instance, a visa is a subject to entry permission by an immigration official at the time of actual entry and can be revoked at any time. Visa evidence most commonly takes the form of a sticker endorsed in the applicant's passport or other travel documents, but may also exist electronically. Some countries no longer issue physical visa evidence, instead recording details only in immigration databases. Historically, immigration officials were empowered to permit or reject entry of visitors on arrival at the frontiers. If allowed to enter, the official would grant you a visa when required, which would be a stamp in the passport. Today, travelers who want to enter another country must first apply for a visa in advance, sometimes in person at the consular office, by post, or over the internet. Currently, a visa may be a stamp in a passport or sticker, an electronic record of the authorization, or a different document which the applicant can print before departing their home country and produce it to the visited territory on entry. However, some countries don't require visitors to apply for a visa in advance for short visits. Visa applications in advance of arrival give countries a chance to consider the applicant's circumstances, such as financial security, reason for travel, and details for previous visits to the country. Visitors may also be required to undergo and pass security or health checks upon their arrival at the port of entry. Some countries which restrict immigration require individuals to possess an exit visa to leave the country. These exit visas may be required for citizens, foreigners, or both, depending on the policies of the country concerned. Unlike ordinary visas, exit visas are often seen as an illegitimate intrusion on individuals' right of freedom of movement. Imposition of an exit visa requirement may be seen as a violent customary international law, as the right to leave any country is provided in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Thank you guys all for watching. It has been your boy AJ Scholars here once again. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you're new here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around. Share this video, click on the bell so that you don't miss any of my latest content. Thank you.